For today's workout, we're gonna need a pair of dumbbells. How heavy you go, again, depends on the exercises we're gonna be doing. It would be best if we have some different pairs, or if you have modified or adjustable dumbbells. I'm gonna let you know before we start, are we gonna go heavy or light? We're gonna need something that can slide on the ground, so if you can get tablecloth or pillows or maybe kitchen cloth, whatever you can find. If you have a carpet below you, you can also use some magazines or maybe some old books that can slide. So we usually use this in the previous session, so I think you are already prepared. And we're gonna need some form of bench. If you don't have a bench, you can always use a chair. Just make sure that it's not sliding below you. Once we start, we don't want a chair to slip away. So as we usually do, we're gonna start with the light warm-up. We're gonna bring the elbows nice and high and go in a rotation. Choose one side where you wanna go. Nice and easy. It doesn't matter if you go in or out. At the moment we're out, make sure the elbows are nice and high. And we're gonna switch sides. So let's go a bit inwards or outwards. Again, depends on which one. Make sure to point the elbow up. We're not shifting from the shoulder. So just the rotation. 2, 1. And okay, we're gonna relax the arms, go into shoulder. So draw a big circle, maybe backwards we start. So go all the way up, back, down, and front. Good, good. Stretch of the shoulder. There is a lot of shoulder work today. And we're gonna go to front. Just switch sides. 3, 2, 1. And easy, relax. And then we're gonna go in the arm circumduction. So big, big circle, front. Good, good stretch on the arms. Again, on the shoulder. If you hear clicks, that's all good. We don't care. Everything is gonna click on its place. That's all normal. And we're gonna go a bit backwards, same thing. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, we are kind of done with the upper body. We're gonna move on to hips. So feet hip width, toes pointing to front, and we're gonna go in a circle from the hips. Choose one side you're gonna start. And again, we're drawing kind of a big circle with our hips. And we're gonna go backwards as well. So opposite direction. Nice and easy. Few more circles. Maybe so you can see from the side, but it's really simple. Okay, and one more for the knees. We're gonna slightly hinge or squat down, hands on the knees. Choose one side you're gonna go, and same thing, drawing circles. Easy, slow, controlled. And switch sides. Same thing opposite. 2, 1, and relax. Next one, we're gonna drop in our deep squat. So try to be upright as you can with the back from side, and we're gonna gently swing the hips or knees left and right. We wanna mobilize in this deep position. If you start feeling tight in your quads, feel free to stand up, shake them, and then drop down. Okay, next one, we're gonna move onto knee over toes. So push more to one side and press the knee over toes. Lift the heel up off the working side. Just easy. Few reps. Remember, you want to be really comfortable in your deep squat position, so mobilize nicely. Then we're gonna take left arm, right ankle, and rotate one side. Good stretch, easy down. Switch sides, good stretch, and down. Let's do 3 each side. Good stretch and down. Stretch and down. And one more. Up and back. Okay, we're gonna stand up. Time to bring the heart rate up. Nothing too crazy, just easy skips on the spot, soft on the toes. And next one, we're gonna draw a big circle with the knee and open our hips. So it looks like this. Hop, draw a big circle, few skips in between, switch sides. So we are going from in to out. After this, we're gonna go out to in. Okay, maybe one more on the opposite. So let's try now from out to in. Same thing with the opposite side. Few skips. and last. Switch and shake. We're gonna bring the hands behind, go in a few high heels. Just kick the heel in the glutes, point the knee down. Still soft on the toes. 3, 2, 1. Shake, resume skipping, stop with the high heels. Then we're gonna go front, deep squat, and few skips between. Start breathing heavier, faster. We're gonna start lacking oxygen, so we need to fill up our reserves. And last one. Okay, so we are warmed up, and we're gonna start with our workout. For the first block, let's check the exercises we're gonna be doing. First one is gonna be diamond push-up. If you remember from the previous session, we're gonna create kind of a diamond shape with our hands, and then that's gonna be our low position. Where we push is gonna be, if you find your sternum, that's this bone in the middle of the trunk, just below you have kind of a hole where it finishes, and that's where the hole of the diamond is gonna go, okay? So let's try just a few reps. Same like all the push-ups, you can do it from the feet, you can do it from the knees. Whichever one is comfortable for you. So here, straight, down, and press. Remember, knees as well, that's the other variation. After this, we're gonna take a heavy dumbbell. So for this block, we're gonna be using slightly heavier dumbbells. We take our bench or chair, whatever you have. We're gonna rest the shoulders on top, head down. So same position, diamond position. Put your dumbbell between your thumb and index finger. From here, we're gonna go far back as we can, good stretch. And in front, just above our chest. We don't have to go all the way to front here, so just above the chest. And after this, we're gonna go bent over row, close position. So we take another pair of the same dumbbell, heavy one, bent over, and row. So this is gonna be our block for the upper body, and we're gonna be doing it with 30 seconds work, 15 seconds break. We do it 3 times, okay? So I'll set the time, and we're gonna start with our diamond push-ups. I think we are comfortable doing it. You know, are you doing from the feet or from the knees? 3, 2, 1, and we start. Slow, controlled. Don't rush through the first round. This way we can check the intensity, and then the next round we can press it faster to get a few more reps in 30 seconds. Control. If you need to regress, you can always regress the knees. Just make sure to have that diamond position. 2, 1, shake. All right, we go in a pullover. 1 dumbbell. We're gonna lay down, sit down, back or shoulders on top, head resting. Dumbbell, we know the position between thumb and index, good stretch, bring it back in. Now, if you find this easy, you can do with 2 dumbbells. Just kind of a safety first, make sure you're holding tight 2 dumbbells, one next to another. Good stretch, bring it back in. Stretch, and back in. Slightly bend the elbow, don't lock it, don't hyperextend it. 2, 1, and shake. And we're gonna finish with the bent over rows. So, 2 dumbbells, heavy ones. We know our bent over position. Try to be as low as you can, good hinge, close elbows. We have close row, next round. We're gonna do wide. This one, we focus on the close. We can pull more weight if we go in a close. Once we go in a wide, it's gonna be lighter dumbbells. Don't pull from the back. You already know, keep the shoulder up. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, shake. Okay, we go back into diamond push-ups, meaning upper body, round 2. And prepare. Diamond position, feet up, and go. Controlled. Now you check the round. You know how hard it is. So you can either speed up, same tempo, or slow down. Just make sure once we finish, we feel a good burn and we are losing form, meaning we cannot go strictly up. We need to stretch a bit. 2, 1, shake. And back into pullover. Shoulders on the bench or chair, head down, and good stretch back, and pull up the chest. Good stretch down and up. Now technically it doesn't matter how we hold the dumbbell. We can hold it this way. Might be not too comfortable, so maybe safety first. You can grab it in a diamond position. Stretch and back. 2, 1, shake. Easy down. And already finishing round 2 with the bent over rows. Three, 2, hinge and row. Slow, controlled. Get a good squeeze on the shoulder blades when you go behind. Don't flare the elbow out. Keep the elbows close. Pull the dumbbells up. Don't swing from the hips. Don't be in an upright position. Low, almost parallel with the ground. Shake. Whew. It's getting warmer. And we go in a diamond push-up, last round. 3, 2, 1, off we go. By now, we're doing it 3rd time, so you should know your pace. And remember, no shame in making it easier with time. Just work, challenge. We all have different fitness level. And shake. Whew, nice one. Good burn in the tricep. Lat pull over. Elbows. Elbows slightly bent. Head rested. Good stretch all the way back. And pull. Pull from your armpits. Don't go in a tricep extension. Slightly bend the elbow. Good stretch and up. Almost there. We got a bent over row. Then we take a light break and go into legs. And shake. Okay. And we go in a bent over row. 3, 2, 1, last one. Then we're gonna take a light break. Parallel with the ground. Don't be in upright position. Hinge down. Almost there. 5, 3, 1, shake. Catch a breather. For the next block, we're not gonna, oh wait, we go in the legs. We need our bench. Bench, chair, push it to wall. We got 2 exercises. Bulgarian split, one side, then we switch, and then we finish with the hamstring slide. If you were with us last time, you know how our hamstring slides look. I'm going to show you while we are resting. We take our sliders here, go in a glute bridge position, hips up, slide and back. Okay, more once we start. Catch a breather, take a bit of water if you need, and we're going to start. Bulgarian splits. One foot on top, one front foot slightly in front. And remember, our front leg is our working leg, meaning don't push too much from the leg behind. That one is just resting. If you've been doing shrimp squats with us, it's really similar to our shrimp squat. 5, 3, 2, 1, shake. We're switching sides. We have Bulgarian split squats. Let's prepare. Foot back, toes can wiggle, and we go. Once you're looking at me from the side, you can see that my trunk is parallel with my lower leg of the working side. Whole foot strong in the ground. Jam your big toe, grip the ground. Three, 2, 1. Next round, if you want to make it harder, you can always take weights, 2 dumbbells, suitcase position, 1 dumbbell, in a goblet position. Okay, let's get ready for the hamstring slides. Down and hips up, slide. When you pull, push the hips up. If you're struggling too much, then we're gonna go down, negative, slide, lift, and slow negative. That's easier variation. Keeping the hips up is obviously a bit harder. Make sure to push the hips up once you're pulling the heels. 2, 1, shake. Maybe I can put the mat slightly closer so you can see me better. Okay. And Bulgarian splits. Position. Off we go. Control. If you're holding the dumbbell, hold it in a goblet or suitcase. Again, we all have different fitness level, so accommodate for yourself. Halfway. Control. Again, front leg is the working leg, meaning foot strong in the ground, back leg almost just for the balance. Don't push from the back. And shake. Catch a breath. And we go in a opposite side. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and start. Control. Halfway, 15 seconds. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, shake. Go on the ground, round 2, hamstring slides. Okay, heels close, hips up, and slide down, push back up. If you don't have heel sliders, you can also do glute bridges, regular one. Just down and up. If you're struggling, remember, we can bring the hips, focus on the negative, slide the heels, hips up, focus on the negative. Then we slowly build it up with time into full ones. Shake. And we got one more round for the legs. Then we go back into upper body. Okay, Bulgarian splits. 2, 1, off we go. Strong foot in the ground, jam your big toe. Always, no matter what exercise we're doing, we always want to be strong in the ground. This way, we won't lose the balance. Our foot won't go in and out. And 3, 2, 1, shake. Nice work. Keeping it up. And we prepare. 3, 2, 1, and control. If your chair is a bit higher, you won't be able to touch the knee down. And once you feel a stretch in this back leg, we're gonna finish. That's gonna be our depth. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, shake. And we're gonna finish with the hamstring slides. Three, 2, 1, hips up, slow down, pull up. There goes my slider. And easy, down, pull up. Same time, heels in, hips up. Jam, squeeze your hamstrings like you want to cramp them. Three, 2, 1, and break. Whew. Nice one. Catch a breather. We go into upper body. Small breath, just to bring the heart rate slightly down. You might wonder, why am I sweating so much? So here we have sun, it's really warm, summer is coming. I need to get some air conditioner. It's really warm. Okay. Take around 30 seconds. We have 3 exercises. For this one, we're gonna take our lighter dumbbells and our sliders. Okay, so let's prepare. Similar thing. We have new exercise. So let's give it a try. It's gonna be rough. Okay, I don't think I'll need this. Let me just pause the timer and let's get to know the exercises. So, first one, variation of the push-up. Not gonna lie, it's gonna be tough. We need sliders for this one. If you don't have the sliders, you can do the regular push-ups or something. Okay, so we're gonna assume the regular position. And again, remember, you can do it from the knees, you can do it from the feet. So from here, we're gonna go down, slide one hand, and then up and switch. Slide down and switch. Okay, we're gonna try more as we start. Don't lose too much strength now. After this, we're gonna go in a sliding pull-up. Hands in front. From here, I want you to press the hands as hard as you can in the ground. Slide, pull up and down. Don't just use your back, lower back to lift you. Use your palms to press it down and up. Somewhere around chest height, and relax. And last exercise is gonna be wide row. As I said, for the wide row, we need slightly lighter dumbbells. We're gonna go in a bent over position, elbow back, and that's our wide row. Opposite, not opposite, but slightly different from the close. In the close, we want the elbows close. In a wide, we want the elbows wide. Really simple. Okay, so we're gonna start in 5 seconds. We have that push-up variation. Let's give it a try. 2, 1, so down, slide one arm, bring it back in. Down, slide the opposite, bring it back in. Focus more on the arm that is pushing you up rather than the one that is sliding down. Almost like a single arm push-up. Don't extend your elbow, don't lock it, slightly bend it. 2, 1, shake. Ooh, nice one. Again, we can do it from the knees. Different variations. We go in a sliding pull-up. Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1, and we go. Straight arms, pull, and back. As I said, use your arms to pull you up. Don't just do back extensions levitating with the arms. Press them down. as hard as you can. Kick your elbow in the trunk. Focus on elbow down. A few more reps. 2. And shake. My wife loves me working with the sliders. It's like cleaning the floor all the time. Okay, grab your lighter dumbbells, polishing the floor with the sweat and sliders. Bent over, elbows up. So it doesn't matter how you position the dumbbells, but make sure when you go in a wide that the palm is facing behind you. That's most comfortable position for our pull. Bent over, strong position, no swing. Don't be upright. 2, 1, shake. Try not to be upright when you're in a bent over. Down, back straight. And palms close to you. Okay, round 2. Push up, slide one side, bring it back up. And remember, from the knees if you need. Arm that is going on the side is sliding. Keep it straight. Don't hyperextend, slightly bend it. 2, 1, shake. Sliding pull-ups. And we prepare. 2, 1, and pull, and back. So it's like doing a pull-up. Again, whenever we are doing the back, it's a bit harder if we don't have a bar to do the pull-up, but this is a good variation. So just make sure you push your palms in the ground. Don't levitate. Don't be loose. 2, 1, shake. More you push, harder you're gonna make it. And that's our goal. Our goal isn't to make the exercise easy, it's to spice it up. Bent over, wide row. 2, and start. Elbows wide. Good squeeze on the shoulder blades. Almost there. Finishing round 2. We got one more to go. And then the legs. 2, 1, shake. Five to go. 3, 2, 1. Push up position. Slide down with one side. Push with the opposite. Really good. Keep it up. Last round for the upper body. Strength. Let's make it through. 2. Shake. Oof. Nice work. Nice work. Okay. Chest in the ground. 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Up. Press your palms as hard as you can in the ground. Strong pull. Elbow in the trunk. You're not going to touch the elbow with the trunk, but just make sure to focus on that movement. It's going to create a good tension in your lats here. That's where we want to feel it. Also, a bit of bicep is good. 2. Shake. And we go in a bent over wide row. Last round, upper body strength. We got lower body. to finish and tempo training after. You know how, by now, you know how we do it. We control it. We don't push from the back. No swings. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Be parallel with the ground as much as you can. 1, shake, relax. If you're tight in the hamstrings, you can slightly bend the knees to get that bent over position, right? We don't have to go like when we do the RDLs with knees more straighter. We just down and pull. Alrighty, catch a breather. 1 minute. Last block for the legs. We have single leg RDLs, one side, opposite side, and alternating shrimps. And we catch a bit of water, and then together we try the exercises. Even though I know we know most of them, all of them, both of them. Okay, let me just pause the timer, then we can start. So we're gonna choose one side that we're gonna work on and do the single leg RDLs. Just give it a try. So foot back, leg not hyperextended, slightly bent, hinge over that front leg, keep your back straight, don't round them, shoulders up, not down, and switch. Try the opposite. So we're gonna work one side only. After this, we're gonna rest the dumbbells and go in the shrimp squats. For the shrimp squats, we got 2 variations. Down on the ground, push from the toes, or down on the ground, lift and raise. If you wanna do hardest one, foot up, knee down, and we'll be alternating sides. So let's get ready. We start with the single leg RDLs. Take your dumbbells, maybe heavier ones, hold weight on one foot, hinge, and back. With time, maybe by now, since we are already doing this kind of a classes for some time, we can gently leave that leg behind. Just make sure you're not catching the balance. If you're struggling with the balance, then leave the foot down. And like all the exercises for the legs, 2, 1, shake. Like all the exercises for the leg, foot strong in the ground. Jam your big toe, okay? I don't want you to go wiggle around on the heel, on the toes, on the side. Strong foot in the ground, whole weight on one side, and we start. First, feel a good balance, then the foot can go up. Don't push the knee in front. My knees straight above my ankle in the same line. Keep the back straight, keep the shoulders up or chest up. 3, 2, 1, shake. If you remember that cue, hold the pen. When you're doing the RDLs, you're holding the pen in your armpits going up and down. If you relax the shoulder, the pen is gonna drop. 3, 2, we go in a shrimp, alternate sides. Hop. You know which one you're doing. Foot down, push from the foot, go down, lift the foot, or just tap the knee, bring it back up. Always strong foot in the ground, jam your big toe. Your tripod, 3, 2, 1, and shake. Your foot is like a tripod. 3 points of contact, all 3 points are touching strong in the ground. Evenly disperse the weight. 2, 1, single leg RDLs. Straight back, chest up, shoulders up. You're holding the pen in your armpits. Use your lats. 5, 3, 2, 1, shake. When I say use your lats, lats are these muscles behind the armpit that you can squeeze, so you want to hold them strong. Opposite side, single leg, RDLs. Back straight, knees slightly bent backwards. Almost there. Less than halfway to go. Two, 1, shake. It's getting warmer. Alternating shrimps. Round 2. Select the working leg, and you know which variation you're using. I showed you, so you did the first round as a test. So now you can go for the harder variation. Oh, or regress it down if you need. No shame, just get a good burn in the quads. Three, 2, 1, shake. Whew. Last round, single leg RDLs. RDLs stand short for Romanian deadlift. 1, and we work. Romanian deadlift, straight leg deadlift, hip hinges, all names for the same exercise. Ten seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Oh, nice. Shake and switch. One more round of single leg RDLs. And then we go into shrimps and start with the tempo training. 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Good stretch in the hamstrings. Bring it back up. Almost there. Good stretch. On the way down and back. Nice work. Let's finish with our shrimps. 2. Off we go. Just knee down, up or foot down. Lift and stand. Foot down, lift and stand. Tap the ground. Almost there. Ooh, slightly losing balance, meaning intensity is up. 2, 1, and shake. Relax, catch your breath. Once we start losing the form, we know that the intensity is really good. Okay. Next round, we got as many rounds as possible. We have 3 exercises. Time frame, 7 minutes work. Okay, so in 7 minutes, we gotta do 10 burpees, 10 sit-ups, 10 snatches, as many rounds as possible. Burpees. Hinge down, jump back, chest in, up and clap. Sit up, feet together, spread the knees, tap back, tap front. Snatch, 2 dumbbells. Hinge, punch it up, overhead. Hinge down, dumbbells close, elbow first. We gotta do 10 reps of each. Your goal is to count your reps, I count mine, okay? I might speed it up just so you can see what's next. But again, you can take it slower. Do a burpee, jump up, 3, 2, 1, then go again in the burpee. Our goal is to work for 7 minutes. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, off we go, 10 burpees. Don't rush. Control. You gotta sustain your activity. Count your reps. Hinge down, chest in the ground. Stretch up. Don't do the push-up on the way up. Ten reps. After this, we go in a 10 sit-ups. Once you finish, slow it down if you need to. We got 7 minutes tempo training. Now, if you can speed up the tempo, be faster than me. But make sure not to crash. 10 burpee, 10 sit-ups, 10 snatches. Try to minimally rest. It's better to rest between the reps. Just below the knees. Dumbbell close. Elbow first. And once you're done with 10, we go back into 10 burpees. If you feel like you're dying out or you're crashing, slow it down. Slowing down means do 1 burpee, then count 3, 2, 1. Ten burpees. Count your reps. We have different fitness level, so accommodate for yourself your own tempo. 10 burpees, 10 sit-ups, 10 snatches. As many rounds as possible. We are 3 minutes in. 4 to go. Swing the arms when you do the sit-up. Tap behind, tap in front, feet. If your feet are going up, take a dumbbell or something. Grip it with the feet, and then you can keep it down. And snatches. Now again, dictate your tempo. Don't crash on me. Now, sustain. Slow it down if you need. Keep the back straight. You know how we hinge? Almost there. Your own tempo. Keep it up. You got it. Most of the work is done. Try to sustain. 10 burpees, 10 sit-ups, 10 snatches. 2 minutes to go, even less. You gotta learn how to dictate the tempo, which is gonna dictate the intensity. I might be faster than you, but as long as we both keep our heart rate at 80%, more or less, we have the same intensity. So it's not about the speed, it's about heart rate. Almost there. We're gonna go in the last minute. Last minute. And 40 seconds. Almost there. Try not to stop. Take a second or two between the reps instead of fully resting. Almost there. 10 seconds to go. Don't stop doing what you're doing, just keep up. More than 10 reps if you need. 3, 2, 1. Shake and breath. Nice work. Getting tight with time. Let's do one more with 5 minutes work. Okay, for this one, we're gonna start together. Just catch a light breather. We're gonna need our dumbbells for the devil's press. We do 10, 20, 10 reps. Devil's press, Russian twist, and hinge and row. We work together, okay? Let's get the dumbbells in. We're running out of time. We have less than 10 minutes work. So, we got 10 devil's presses. Let's start together. 3, you got your dumbbells. 2, 1. Suitcase position. Dumbbells down, jump back, up, jump wide, swing, punch from the hips. Okay, don't leave them. Jump down, jump up, wide, swing, punch from the hips. Ten reps, count your reps. Your own tempo. I'm speeding up just so I show you next. Reps. We go in 20 swings, 20 twists. Take one dumbbell, feet up, 1 each side, 2 each side. 3. We finish on 10. So we want to do 10 on each side or 20 in total. Once we are done, we go in a hinge and row. Hinge, row, stand up, 10 reps. You know the rules for the hinge. Back straight. Almost there. 2 minutes in. Once we are done with 10 hinge and rows, we go back in a devil's press. 10 reps. Similar to burpee, but we jump wide, swing, and punch like a kettlebell swing. And again, don't curl the dumbbell, meaning don't go in a bicep curl. From the hips. Use your glutes and hamstrings. Count 10. Then we got 20 twists after 10 reps. One minute 30 seconds, 20 twists, 10 each side. And finish with 10 hinge and rows. Rest your heart rate on this one. Come on, let's keep it up. We got less than 1 minute to go. You got it. Trust me. Slow it down if you need. Sustain. Catch a breather in between rep. Just keep on rolling. We got 30 seconds to go. Don't crash on me now. We finished this. We got 4 more minutes. 55 minutes behind us. We can make it through this one, guys. Come on. It should be hard. It should be challenging, but it should be manageable. 4, 3, 2, 1, and breath. Nice work. Relax. Breather. Small one. We go in the last block. If you've been with us, you know what we leave for the last. High intensity interval training. Mountain climbers. 15 seconds work. 20 seconds break. 7 rounds. 4 minutes work. Okay, small breather. Just bring the heart rate down a bit to get ready for the climbers, okay? So, 2 options for the climbers. You can do it from the ground, or you can do it from the bench or chair. Just make sure to push the chair into the wall. Okie dokie. Let's get ready. If you want to use for the mountain climbers, you can use the dumbbells to be slightly higher so that you're not hitting the knee in the ground if you're struggling. If you're not struggling, do it from the ground. Okay, we're gonna take 15 seconds and we're gonna start last round. Let's get ready. 15 seconds. Mountain climbers. 3, 2, 1. Off we go. We try to be as fast as we can, but again, you want to be able to keep it up. 2, 1. Shake. How high your heart rate should be? Somewhere up more than 80%. So it should be higher and more intensive than the previous blocks. 5 to go. 15 seconds work. 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Speed it up if you can. Slow it down if you have to. Be fast. Or rest. Be fast, or at least try to be fast. Now push yourself a bit for this one. You know it's our last exercise. We don't have anything after this. So it's kind of okay towards the end that we crash it down. We are in anaerobic activity. 3, 2, 1, off we go. Half. 3, 2, 1, shake. Oof. Catch your breath. Oh, this one is tough. Let's get ready. Oof. Dripping sweat here. 2, 1, off we go. Fast breathing. High intensity. Half. 2, 1, shake. Woo. I think I can squeeze it and drip the sweat out from the towel. I hope same thing is at your place. Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1, and we work. Half. 2, 1, shake, rest. Okay, don't do the pike climbers. Don't be up here. Hips down, kick the knee in. Almost there. 2 rounds. Let's keep it up. I know you got it. Slow it down if you need. Just make sure it's a work. Three, 2, 1, shake. One more round. Last one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As fast as we can. Half. 3, 2, 1. Shake. Nice work, guys. And gals as well. Ooh. Okay. Big breath in. Big breath out in the belly, not in the chest. One arm overhead. Pull, stretch the tricep. Easy down, switch sides. We are in our cool down. Deep breath in, deep breath out. And down. One arm across, pull from the shoulder. Two. And shake and switch. Three, 2, 1. One foot in front, toes up. Gently bend over, stretch your hamstrings. Keep the knee straight, toes up. And switch. Same thing opposite. Our last exercise was a bit demanding, not just on the cardio, but also on the calves. So we're gonna finish with the calf stretch. But before we do, we wanna stretch our quads. So we're gonna hold on to something, grab the foot from behind, heel in the glutes, knee down, nice and upright, and get a good stretch of your hip flexors. 3, 2, 1. Easy, relax, switch sides. If you need, hold on for the balance. Don't lose the balance. Knee down, heel in the glutes, upright. And shake. And last stretch for the calves, as I said. We're going to try, just lean onto wall, back leg nice and straight, heel down in the ground. If you don't feel the stretch, push the leg more behind. And again, keep that knee straight, don't bend it. That way you're not going to feel the stretch. 2, 1, and switch sides. Heel down, straight leg. When I say heel down, I don't mean touch the ground. Our goal is to feel the stretch. If you can touch the ground and don't feel the stretch, then push more to the front, bring that leg behind. 2, 1, and relax. Whew. Excellent stuff. Nice work. Okay. Thank you for showing up. I hope to see you next time. Up until then, stay healthy and active. Cheers and bye.